some viewers. If at any point during the show you'd like to exit, please make your way to the doors on your left over here, and there will be a cast member there to assist you. As a courtesy to our bug cast, we kindly ask that there be no flash photography or videotaping during our productions. And while inside our theater, we ask that you keep your face coverings completely on, covering your nose, mouth, and chin. Now, on behalf of the millions and billions of bugs all around the world, we're proud to present It's Time to Be a Bug.
Throughout today's performance, please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Flik.
Fireflies, come here. Over here. Way over. Way over. Little more. Little more. Little less. Perfect. Oh, and hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you the special bug eyes. Now, go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, now you're all honorary bugs, so, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now. Huh? Yeah, thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Chili, I really hate when you do that. I really hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flik.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This
Oh! Come on, keep on coming! He's on a roll!
Hey! What are you guys trying to pull?
Messing up my hand! Hold still!
Back off! Okay, Dad, we'll go this for, right?
Youngers! Idiot! No one makes a fool of Chili, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
Alright, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now, he's bucked, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a lean, defensive machine. I am the terminator. Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No, intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. Oh, shoot. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Is everybody all right up there? Oh. I hope that none of you are allergic to acid. Oh, my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Flik.
All right. Oh, just a second. Let him in, Claire.
Hey! Stop your man!
No way! You'll never catch me!
Take cover! She's gonna blow!
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Oh, boy.
Claire, lay off the churros, will ya?
What are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made the honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight. Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine. What? You're still alive? This means war! Hornets, arm your stingers and attack! I'm going in to sting! You're over your target, Black Widow Spider! Jump! Back off, spiders! They're mine. Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing! Flik, what do we do now? Bring up the next act. He refuses to come out of his cocoon.
Well, we'll just have to wing it, huh? Cue the finale! Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we made your world one honey of a place.
We're pollinators! We're pollinators!
If you like vegetables and flowers, you mix to us buds for our marvelous powers.
If it weren't for the fact that we like the taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder-high waste. Shoulder-high waste! And if all bugs were wiped off the face of the planet, there'd soon be no humans around here to manage. The best thing about us, you can't live without us till it's time to be alive.
Huh. It's a piece of cake.
And holding!
Oh, look at all that heat.
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little heads.
We hope you enjoyed our show